Welcome to Presentation Pro, Automated Narrative and Design Flow. AI now builds beautiful decks from a single idea. Traditional slide design steals your time. Humans spend 80% of their time on formatting. With AI, you spend 80% of your time on content ideation, recovering your time for creativity. The old way, you format slides. The new way, you direct narratives. AI automates the tedious design process. AI tools can build entire presentations from a single sentence. One sentence is all it takes to trigger the complete design generation. From one single sentence, the AI extracts the core message, determines the visual tone, and maps the slide sequence. Two key tools automate presentation design. Gamma builds fluid documents, and Beautiful.ai enforces strict design rules. Gamma transforms documents into decks, creating fluid memos with high content flexibility. Beautiful.ai applies smart slide constraints for traditional pitch decks, demanding high design discipline. Gamma shapes fluid narratives. The tool takes continuous text and automatically breaks it into visual blocks and corresponding slides. Beautiful.ai prevents design errors. Smart templates lock visual elements into the correct places, ensuring a polished look every time. Students must learn to structure a narrative flow, as AI tools require human direction to be effective. AI sequences information logically. It establishes context, defines the core problem, presents data evidence, and then proposes the solution. AI automation acts as a strict editor, forcing narrative discipline. The software compels you to clarify the core idea first before generating slides. The process involves generating an initial draft, reviewing the slide sequence, and editing text for clarity. Ultimately, humans refine the AI output and control the final message. AI generates the slides, but human expertise is essential to validate the facts and ensure accuracy. Your next video starts with one sentence. Write one sentence today.